That's pretty cool, honestly. This is probably the most over-the-top unboxing experience for a water bottle. So Rhino Shield sent us a few things and I want to show them to you. We got a case for our Apple Watch, we got a new case for our iPhone, and it has my all-time favorite anime character on it. And who would that be? Mikasa. Enough about those, let's unbox the water bottle. This is the craziest unboxing for a water bottle I've ever done. Everything is boxed individually, the bottle, and even the straw is in its own box. So what makes this bottle special is inside the lid. There's actually MagSafe magnets inside the lid so you can actually mount your iPhone on top of it and use it as a stand. And here's the magnet right up here. So if you take your iPhone, it sticks right on top.